Are you posting consistently and creating content, but not seeing growth? Getting views but zero income? This video will show you the blueprint to turn your Instagram efforts into a profitable brand. The problem isn't Instagram, but the wrong method. Without strategy, you lack niche, have low reach, no audience trust, and no income. With the right strategy, you gain clear direction, better reach, consistent growth, an engaged audience, and more opportunities. Instagram is more than just likes. It's a real income platform. It's a huge opportunity for creators to build a brand and grow an audience. You can create multiple income streams through brand deals, collaborations, digital products, and coaching services. Most creators fail because they lack clarity, consistency, a content strategy, and a clear monetization roadmap. Talent isn't the issue. These 4 elements are vital for success on Instagram. Start the right way by building a strong foundation for growth. This includes proper profile setup, bio optimization, and understanding the algorithm basics. Strategic content planning is essential for consistency in achieving growth goals. Create content that attracts, engages, and converts. Utilize Reels for maximum reach, carousels for high saves, and stories to build daily connection. Learn to write captions that drive action and turn viewers into loyal followers. Stop guessing and start tracking your performance. Most creators neglect content analysis. You need to know which key metrics matter, like saves, shares, reach, and watch time, to accelerate your growth. Track what works, do more of it, and optimize your strategy. Turn your audience into income. You don't need millions of followers. You need the right audience and the correct monetization strategy. Learn proven methods to transform your Instagram presence into 5 or more revenue streams, from brand deals to digital products. What makes this course different is that it's not just theory. It's a practical, step-by-step, beginner-friendly action plan. The proven 15-day launch plan helps you go from zero to growth with clear milestones. Learn Instagram the smart way. Build your audience, brand, and income. Join the Instagram Mastery course today and start your journey. For enrollment and limited time offers, use the contact information provided.